A section of Abuja's most popular trading zone, Wuse Market, went up in flames on Tuesday evening, forcing some people in the area to scamper to safety. The incident abruptly ended the business of the day around the market area. There was pandemonium and confusion, as well as traffic gridlock on all the roads leading to the market. People were seen running in different directions. Policemen who arrived at the market barricaded the entrance to prevent people from moving into the markets. They were seen shooting sporadically and firing tear gas into the atmosphere. The office of the Abuja Markets Management Limited and some cars parked at the market's car park were reportedly touched. People inside the market are also seen forcing their way out by jumping the perimeter fence. Angry youths reveal how a suspect who was being tried at the mobile court in the market attempted to run away, but was allegedly shot and killed by the police.
Shooting tear gas entered that zinc. That's what caused that fire. It's a policeman. He shot a tear gas that entered the ceiling. That's what caused the fire. Look at people's shop condemned. They cannot go free. They should give us Musa. Musa must face the justice here. Angry youths. They shot one of them to death. So it's guys, when they got angry, they come and burn the cars. It's the youth that caused that put the fire. After killing one of them,
at about 2 o'clock this afternoon, I was at the mosque trying to perform ablution. The next thing I saw was a young guy, yes, trying to run from a van. You get. So immediately I saw him going outside. Before I know, before the people that are chasing him, they now come back that they have killed the boy. The next thing, everybody now started coming out that the market is not, the market has turned to something else. So, yes.
Not a task force. What you have been saying a task force? They pursue people who don't do anything in the market. So where they hawk. So this boy now in a piece, he come piece. They hold him, carry and go lock for this place. So today is Tuesday. They are taking the boy to the court. So every Tuesday. So as they carry the boy to come outside to take to court, the boy with handcuff, the boy now run away. So the Musa tell them to pursue them. Musa tell them to shoot them. They shoot the boy 2 times. The boy die. They carry and come here. See the police station here. They carry and come and so the riot start.
The situation caused a stampede in the market as people rushed to save their property. It is not clear how many people were injured, but the police say they are on top of the situation.
We had an alarm that there's a fire at Wuse Market, so all of us came. So we came here and we called fire service, and they have arrived, and they have helped to quench the fire. And so just only few vehicles that were burned, and about 5 or 6 shops that were burnt. But we are trying to get to the root of the matter. Let us find out what exactly happened. There's no cause for alarm. Everywhere has been brought under control. We want to, in the fire, there's no loss of life. But something happened that resulted into what has happened. So we want to find out what has exactly happened.